folks. Sorry, this is size extra puppy. Listen, you're done. You made it to the end. You have made it to the end of all of the lecture modules. You have taken a multi-millennia journey through the history of fashion. So you have started at prehistoric ancient times and you learned about ancient India, Egypt, Greece, Rome, China. You've learned about Europe and Eastern Europe and a lot about England. And we finished up really with the United States and just the globalization of fashion and looking at some of those, you know, lifestyle brand builders and style tribes and the fashion designer as a household celebrity. So that's where you are. So I hope that you have enjoyed this journey. I know this class is a mix of fashion students and not fashion students, and that's why I love it. I love it the most because this is the one that kind of bridges everybody. But I hope that you have gotten to the other side of this with a good vocabulary of terms that you can define and just enjoyed what you learned. I feel like when you enjoy it, you retain it even more. So you're almost done. What do you have left? Depending on when you're reading this, when you're watching this, you need to complete your Rep Your Culture project. The day after the project is due, you will be assigned peer review. So you need to review two of your classmates' projects, and there's a rubric attached of how you will grade them or how you will assess them. You're actually not grading them; you're assessing them. So two of your classmates, and then your final, and that's it. And then you're done, and then the 8 weeks is over. So I'm so excited that you're here. And just so you know, once you're my student forever. So just because you're not in my class anymore doesn't mean you can still reach out to me. If you're a fashion student, you're going to see me again because I teach all this stuff on the merchandising side and quite a few on the design side. If you're not a fashion student, you just need somebody to, be your water boy that tell you can do it, or you have questions about things that shape you, just don't know who to ask me. Okay? I may be like, what class were you in? Because I have so many students. But just keep in mind, once you're my student forever. Okay? So, knock out your project. The final will open the Monday after this. So this closes on Saturday. So this one will open on that's not Monday, on Sunday. It'll open on Sunday. But you only have a couple days to get it done. So I will send out some reminders to make sure that you know when it's open and you know when it's done, when it's due. Okay. All right. It was a pleasure to have you here.